carefully with the plates, because that's what Bilbo Baggins.
Please set sail anyway. Exactly. Now then, fetching my rum while I tack into the wind.
All right, sir.
Hard to port. Yeah. Hard to starboard. Hard to port.
Wow, this is like my last sobriety test. That's not funny.
Mr. Jib,
Captain Ren!
for the love of Benedict Cumberbatch, where's my rum? I'm so
Shut up, geeks. Sir, you poor thing! It's been, what, 10 minutes since your last drink? Oh!
I know. My liver's regaining consciousness.
Help me! I'm on it!
Thank you. Where was I? Yes, I remember. Hard to port.
Yeah! What was that?
Mr. Jib,
Hi, Captain!
you spilled my rum.
I know! Don't tell the captain.
He's the captain.
Mr. Jib,
Hi, Captain!
I am the captain.
Oh! Somebody spilled your rum, sir! I blame Mother.
Mr. Jib,
Hi, Captain!
you spilled my rum.
I know! Don't tell the captain.
Mr. Jib,
Hi, Captain!
I am the captain!
Oh! Somebody spilled your rum! I blame Mother. Help! We're stuck in a loop! It's an anomaly in space and time! Oh! Everybody do anomaly arms. Go. Oh! Did you see that?
Wow.
It was like Night of the Living Dead up there.
Well, let's just consult the pirate articles, and we'll see what it says about spilling the captain's rum, shall we?
Very well, sir.
Pirate articles right here. See page 42, it says.
42, sir.
Yeah, don't panic. And, oh, look! It says here, I have to kill you.
Wait, say that again.
But it says here, I have to kill you.
I didn't feel wet enough, sir.
No, but it does.
It does?
Yeah. See?
Fine!
Yeah, a lot. How about that?
Do you mind if I defend myself, sir?
Not at all, Mr. Jib. Not at all. How about you?
Ah!
Hold still, I want to poke you. Ah! Hold still so I can stab you.
I can't, it's slippery.
Ow! My scapula.
Oh!
Why, you?
Ah!
Wait! After careful consideration, I've decided to give you a pardon.
A pardon?
Aye,
You mean you're gonna spare my life?
just this once.
Well, I think it's a mistake, but okay.
Good. But don't just stand there, help me out.
Yes, sir.
And clean this mess up, would you?
I will, sir.
Screwing up the feng shui of our ship.
Sorry, sir. Captain Ren.
Aye, Mr. Jib.
Sir. Well, I'm back here cleaning up, sir.
Aye, Mr. Jib.
And you're standing up there looking like a Bret Michaels wannabe, sir. Sir! Sir! Who is steering the ship, Commander?
Aye, who indeed? Yes. Ah!
Oh!
Quick!
Sir!
The script!
It's out there somewhere!
Quick, Mr. Jib!
Yes, sir!
The emergency brake!
Oh, I'm on it, Captain Ren! There's not a second to waste to apply the emergency brake!
Yeah, anytime would be...
Oh yeah, the emergency brake! Everybody, brace yourselves while I apply the emergency brake! Mother, grab onto something! I hope you know that lady. Very well. The emergency brake. Ah! No. That was it.
Oh. Shoo, that was close.
Yeah, we almost ran into that henna booth.
I know. Well,